today. Now I would like to welcome Rabbi Zalman Lent from Dublin Hebrew Congregation to come forward and address us today on this very special day.
Rabbi Zalman Lent, head of the Jewish community in Ireland, will speak next.
Assalamu alaikum, Eid Eid Mubarak. It is truly a great honor to be invited here today to be part of your prayers and celebration in this special venue. I would especially like to thank Sheikh Al-Qadri and the GAA for the very kind invitation. In Ireland, they say that sports is a religion, but I'm not sure this is what they meant. In Jewish tradition, when Ibrahim was a young boy, he looked around at a wonderful world and he wondered, if a house has an architect and a builder, who is the great architect of all this beauty? He formulated his own ideas and concluded that the gods of wood, rock, and stone were useless, and he began worshipping the one true God, not visible, not tangible, but all-seeing, all-knowing, and all-powerful, whether God, Hashem, or Allah. That belief of one individual grew into what we have today, multitudes across the globe who believe in the one God of Avraham, or Abraham, or Ibrahim. It is a special time now when the world is in fear of plague and pandemic, and when there is so much social unrest, so much hatred and xenophobia, anti-Muslim and anti-Semitic feeling. It's special that we can all stand here or sit here today together with my esteemed colleagues, leaders and representatives of the three Abrahamic faiths, together as brothers, to show that there should be no place for hatred, no place for division, only for love, kindness, brotherhood, and peace on this world we share together. Atawaja ilaykum biasma tahani wa tabrikat wa atyab alumniyat bidawam aseha wa ma'ufor asada.
Words by Rabbi Zalman Lent.
Thank you, Rabbi Zalman Lent. It's an honor today for us to have you here.